Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and today we're going to go back to the basics and we're going to show you a really helpful tool that a lot of people don't even know about. Now, have you ever gotten those emails that you want to convert that into a meeting, copying maybe part of the body of the email into your calendar invite? Well, what if I told you can do this in a single click and right from your email? So let's get to it. Top middle of our screen, we've got an email talking about our Q3 training strategy meeting. If we go into that, we have a quick read. We can see that there is a meeting being proposed for Tuesday, May 12th from 2 to 3 p.m. And it includes agenda items for our meeting. Now, what a lot of people would do, they would copy those agenda items and they would paste them into the description field of a calendar event. If you want to save that little bit of time, and as a bonus, save time adding your invitees, i.e. the people that are on this email. At the top, you'll see I've got Lena and Kevin and me on this. Here's what you do. Top middle of the screen, you'll see your three dots. You're going to go into Create Event. This opens your Google Calendar and it immediately titles it the same thing as your subject line of that email was. To the right, you'll see your guest list is already filled out for the people that were on that email. Love that as a time saver. And there in the description field in the lower left corner of our screen, there is our email information. And of course, all of this is editable, so you can keep what you want to keep or you can leave it as is. But all you have to do is really change up the date and the time. So we can say we wanted that to be Tuesday and we wanted this to be from 2 to 3, save, and we're ready to send that invite off. It's just that fast. So once again, in your email, from any of your emails, it will capture who is on that email. It will capture the body of the email. You'll go to the top middle of the screen. You'll click Create Event, and then from there it opens Calendar and you can finish rocking and rolling your invite from there. Until we meet again, another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or update, this is Triple G signing off, signing out.